Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another holiday speed build for you. Today we're building set 40640, the Lego Seasonal Nutcracker. I would classify this as a 2-in-1 because you can rebuild this into obviously two different Nutcrackers. You can see here on the cover of the box. I will be building both of them for this video, so stay tuned for that here in a minute. 208 pieces. I believe this sold for like 15 bucks back in 2023 when I picked this up. So I've actually been sitting on this set for a year waiting for this Christmas to build it. I love Nutcrackers. They are a really cool Christmas decoration. We have the Nutcracker brickhead already on display as part of our Winter Village. We also have two other, I believe one or two other like regular Nutcrackers that are fairly large as just generic Christmas decorations as well. So I love the look and the vibe of a Nutcracker. Speaking of vibes, today's Christmas fit is from Home Alone. Gus Polinski and the Kenosha Kickers, Polka King of the Midwest, Tour 1990. Of course, from Home Alone. One of our favorite Christmas films, that one and the second one. We will not go past the second one. We don't talk about those. But you know, this really cool shirt. I love the shade of blue that it came in. We bought this from TeePublic, where they have tons of designs. I'm not an affiliate. I am not a representative of TeePublic. I just like their designs and wanted to show it off here in the video. So that will take care of the intro. So I want to go ahead and get this open and get it built. So let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the Lego Nutcracker. Here we go, right here. I like the look of this compared to the Brickhead Nutcracker, which we also own. This is a lot taller. I think it's a lot more detailed. Um, I like the red outfit. It pops, and the accents. You know, there's individual little parts, like interesting part usage. You can see these little wheels, little gears right here are for sleeves. I like that. Um, I like the opening mouth function. The Nutcrackers have that. The boots in dark bluish gray. I like the hat. The hat actually is removable. It can be displayed as a separate piece if you so choose. I like the gold chains as an accent connected as part of the hat, which is really, really cool. This is actually one of two different builds for this. Mainly the head you can rebuild a different way. And if you watch this far, you've seen both builds of this one. I actually built them out of order. The second one that you saw was actually the first one I built, and then I rebuilt it into this for this purpose. And I like this look of this one a lot better. It just, you know, to me, it appeals a lot more. Personal preference, I guess that's why they give you the choice on which Nutcracker head to build. You know, you happen to prefer the original one. That's fine with me. I like this Nutcracker. It's really cool. It's gonna be a very cool little display piece for your Winter Village, or for your desk at your job, or at your home office. You know, whatever you want to use it for. Nice Christmas decoration. Very cool. And that concludes the review of this set. Thank you for watching this far. If you like what you've seen so far, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel for more content. Also, consider following me on my other socials, TikTok and Instagram, both of which are linked in the description below. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.